Hi, I'm One I Am. I'm also known as Lord of the Mystic. I use that as a handle on the internet, and I've been around on the net for a few years. So if you type Lord of the Mystic into your search engine, uh, you know, my stuff will come up and you can check me out and get a better feel for who I am and find out more information about me and all that stuff should you be interested. The subject of this video, I want to talk about the mind. The mind is something that is often overlooked in its processes and how it works and what it does. What it actually does is not understood by many. As a matter of fact, it can be considered esoteric. It can be considered just information that secret societies and etc. deal with, and not the general public. So, in talking about the mind, I hope I'm not stepping on anybody's toes that is in a secret society, because I do understand that there are reasons why they don't talk about certain information, uh, because they don't want it trampled over by people who don't understand, and the information has to be respected. And also, sometimes the information is a bit too much for a person, and a person could lose his mind in dealing with certain information. So, I'm going to try to step lightly and just put out a little here and a little there and see how much the general population can handle. And whoever doesn't want it doesn't have to get it. They could click on past me. But I think it would be better for us all to know some of the things that a few of us know, particularly about the mind, because the mind is all there is. There's nothing else other than the mind. And all of the things that we think are happening and that we think are taking place and going on, our lives, our world, everything is taking place in the mind. It's all mental. And that's why I said the universe is mental. Uh, it's your world. There's so many other sayings, that would tip you off to the fact that it's all in the mind. But at the same time, it's so strong in the mind that you still don't really get the full understanding of someone saying it's all in the mind, baby. It's all mental. You know what I'm saying? It is all mental. There's nothing other than the mind. Now, the way the mind does it is through frequencies, through mental machinations, it makes a world appear to be, and a person appear to be in a world through frequencies. The person would be one frequency, and then there would be a number of other frequencies fed to the host frequency. The host frequency analyzes the other frequencies that are sent to it, which are sense frequencies: sight, sound, taste, touch, smell. It takes the information from all these frequencies, gathers it all together, analyzes it, and then throws it up into a three-dimensional picture. A three-dimensional picture that has characteristics and properties not like any other picture that you know. It's a picture that you can smell, touch, taste, that you can actually appear to be in, when in fact the entire picture is inside of you. That's the reality. The universe is a mental thing inside of you. And another reality is that you probably think that you're a person in the world, and you get things to do and places to go and people to see, and you're living a life. And that's all good and well, because that's what the mind does. It creates that type of illusion as exercise. I mean, the entire purpose of your life is to exercise the mind. That's it. It has nothing to do with who you think you are sitting there looking at your computer. Nothing at all. It's all about the reality of you, the mind, and your exercise. So the way that the mind does what it does, it sends frequencies to a host frequency. The host frequency being known as a person. And then the sense frequencies are collected and interpreted for their information, and then the information is thrown up all around in a 3D picture that seems to be real, like this, my chair, computer, cars going by, all of it. It's all real, and it's like I got a life going on. And hey, it's an illusion in the mind. And it just keeps adding on. More host points, more points of reference,